Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the Alchemy Table in Windrose. Now the first thing that you are going to need is check over to your journal and then go over to Discovery right here. And then hover your mouse over to the Misty Orchid. Now once you've discovered Misty Orchids, you will be able to unlock some recipes and blueprints for specific buildings. Specifically, the Alchemy Table and the Stove and Pot, which is the upgrade for the Alchemy Table right here. And also the recipes for the clay pots and all of these alchemical bases to make some potions. Now over on your build mode, go over to Alchemy right here. And try to make the Alchemy Table first with the use of 5 pieces of wood and 2 pieces of clay pots. And once you're done making the Alchemy Table, you are going to require the Stove and Pot right here, which uses 5 pieces of stone, 5 pieces of clay, and 1 piece of copper pot. And it says right here on the description that this is the Alchemy Table upgrade and only works within the bonfire range. And for the Alchemy Table, this does require a roof, and once again, it only works within the bonfire range as well. Now for the copper pot, in case you don't know where to build it, over on the workbench, you should be able to find it all the way here to the bottom. And copper pot right here does require 5 pieces of copper ingot for you to make it. Now the first thing that you are going to need is pretty much place down the Alchemy Table right here, and once again, it must be under a roof. Once you place it down, press down E to use it, and take note of the Alchemy Table 1 here on the top left. For you to upgrade it, go back to your build mode, and then hover to the Stove and Pot over on the Alchemy section. Now you have to place this down within the range of the bonfire as I said earlier. To make it more convenient, I'm just going to place it right next to the Alchemy Table. Once I placed it down, if I go back over to the Alchemy Table right here, it should say Alchemy Table 2 on the top left. And that's pretty much about it on how to upgrade the Alchemy Table in Windrose.